So this kidnapping for ransom case, a real case, my client is found not guilty in the end. I mean, it was an incredible win because he was facing the rest of his life in prison. That penal code section, kidnapping for ransom, if you get convicted, you're done. And I picked the case up after the preliminary hearing had already been done. The witness had been asked at the preliminary hearing whether he was a loan shark. He said no. And then I got my hands on that loan shark agreement. I went ex parte to the judge by myself, and I asked the judge for a ruling that I did not have to turn over that loan shark agreement to the prosecutor. And the judge ruled in my favor because it was pure impeachment that I could use to get him. And it's just like fishing, this cross-examination technique. You know, once the fish gets on the hook, the fish is going to try to get off the hook. Same with the witness in a criminal case. Once they see what you've done to them, once they see that I've got him as a loan shark, he's going to try and get out of it. But in this case, I hit him 15 questions deep. I set that hook deep. You're not a loan shark. You would never do anything like that. You would never charge anybody 50%. And then I got him with the coup de grace, which I was surprised the judge let me get away with that. And I asked him, hey, your testimony about not being a loan shark is just as good as your testimony that my client committed this horrible crime against you. And he said, absolutely. And that's when I knew I had him. When I approached him and he admitted that that signature was his, and I had the agreement, and I had a witness, and he knew it, waiting in the wings to testify that that guy was a loan shark. He had brutalized him. Once the jury saw that, the case was over. The prosecution's case went by the wayside. We got the not guilty verdict, and my client got out.
Please read the verdict.
We find the defendant not guilty.
Congratulations, man. Congratulations.